Let's get started. How to create a split screen. First, import all videos you want to split them. Then drag and drop all of them on the timeline. After that, play all videos one by one. And then resize the video like this. And then drag up the second clip up to the bottom one. And adjust the size of the clip. And play this video and check the result. And then repeat the process with the second clips of the videos like this. Put the second clip up to the bottom clip and adjust this size according to your need. And then repeat the process with the third clip. So here is the final result. Here is the tip. I used all this clip from the Pexel website. Now do the same process with the other one more clip like this. Here is the result of the third clip. Now here is the end result of all the split clips of the videos. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel and hit the thumbs like button.